Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to change out your Picatinny rail for a carry handle on your KSG shotgun. Anytime you're working in the shop, safety first. Put your safety glasses on, double check your weapon, make sure it's clear, make sure there's no ammunition around, and the gun's on safe. Your carry handle kit will come with the proper sized Allen key, a tube of blue Loctite, 2 screws and 2 washers, 2 extra light pipes, and of course your carry handle with M-LOK slots and a pre-installed fiber optic sight system. All right, let's get started. And take your Allen key, go ahead and remove the top screws on your rail. The top rail just comes right off, set that aside, and then remove the heat shield. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and place the carry handle on top of your KSG. Make sure it's nice and snug. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to add Loctite to these screws, but you would put a dab of Loctite on the screws. Make sure you've got your washers on there as well. Go ahead and install the front screw. And you want to get these nice and snug. Give it like about another quarter of a turn. Then install the rear screw. And then you're all set. That's the easy down and dirty installation on your KSG carry handle. Take it out to the range, have some fun with it, stay safe. Thanks for watching.